Hi, welcome back to English for Adults. Before we go on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to form and use the past perfect simple tense. To practice using the past perfect simple tense, please go to the following video. For the present perfect simple tense, please watch this video. Affirmative. The auxiliary verb is have, which is conjugated in the past tense. Use the past participle form of the main verb. How to form the past participle and its many uses can be found in a separate video. Check it out for all the specific spelling rules. I had gone to the gym. You had gone to the gym. He had gone to the gym. We had gone to the gym. You had gone to the gym. They had gone to the gym. Only the subject changes. Have doesn't change in the past tense. You can contract the subject with had. I'd gone to the gym. Negatives. Form negative sentences with the past tense of the verb have in the negative. You either just put not after had, or you can contract them. Remember that in official documents, you shouldn't use contractions. I hadn't gone to the gym. Interrogative. Form questions with had as well. Had you gone to the gym? Use. You use the past perfect simple tense to emphasize that it happened in the past before another event. You don't use it on its own in direct speech. She went to the gym. Then she had pizza. She had pizza after she had gone to the gym. By the time is often used with this tense. Richard finished his homework. Then she arrived home. By the time she arrived home, Richard had finished his homework. When, already, can also be used in the past tense. When she arrived home, Richard had already finished his homework. I hope you learned from this video. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, please support my work on Patreon.